It's a perfect day for a do-it-yourself botanical wall art with spray paint tutorial. It's a modern twist on a botanical print. Take a nature walk and enjoy choosing some items that will have some great silhouette outline shapes to them. And you're going to use spray paint on this, so you're going to need a well-ventilated area. I found right away that the items that I used would just fly off the paper, so it's great to use a practice sheet for each one that you're doing so you know how to hold it in place. I used some vinyl gloves on my hands, which was very helpful for cleanup. Otherwise, you'll just need to read the instructions on the can to know how to get the paint off of your hands. The first thing I used was the Oakleys. Those worked awesome. The second thing was these barberry stems. Wow, they do have barbs on them, by the way. And they stayed in place better. So when I did the spray painting, and by the way, spray paint straight down so that the silhouette will show, but it really worked well. Isn't that nice? The last thing I tried was some grasses. If I did these again, I would do one head at a time so that it was down close to the canvas and you could see the shape better. But I held the stems and it made this nice wispy look, which is really cool. So I'm wanting to try more of these, that is for sure. This do-it-yourself botanical wall art with spray paint is just this nice modern twist on a botanical print. Come to Welcome to Nana's for all the tips and techniques to use.